Super Bowl 55 is one of the most anticipated showdowns in the recent history of the NFL, mainly because of the various plots and subplots involving the quarterbacks, Patrick Mahomes and Tom Brady. Mahomes is the young star of the champions Kansas City Chiefs versus Tom Brady, the man widely regarded as the greatest quarterback in the storied history of the game. The handing over of the proverbial torch. The Tom Brady story is well documented. Record 6-time Super Bowl champion. In his record 10th appearance in the championship game, he left his comfort zone in New England, where many thought he was riding on the craft of the legendary Bill Belichick, made his way to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And while Belichick and New England stumbled, Brady and the Buccaneers are into the Super Bowl. Yes. So love him or hate him, whether through passing yards or touchdowns or the many intangibles he brings to the organizations, in NFL terms, Tom Brady equals greatness. Yes. But having said all of that,